Bismillahirrahmanirrahim, my dear students. Here is our mathematics teacher Muhammad Abdul Saif from Pakistan International School, Cairo, Saudi Arabia. Today we will continue our lecture number 85, chapter number 10, first year class. And we have to start our exercise 10.2. So here we have question number 3. Exercise 10.2, question number 3. Question number 3. Prove that your part is part number 1, sine 45 plus alpha, sine 45 plus alpha, that is equal to 1 over 2 under root sine alpha plus cos alpha. Dear students, we have to prove that left hand side is equal to right hand side. I am taking left hand side, and remember in the previous lecture I had written some formulas: sin alpha plus beta, sin alpha minus beta, cos alpha plus beta, cos alpha minus beta. So we are using these formulas. Here is sin alpha, alpha means 45 degree. Sin alpha cos beta. Here cos beta means cos alpha. Sin alpha cos beta plus cos alpha and sin beta, sin alpha. Here is alpha, this is beta. Sin alpha cos beta plus cos alpha sin beta. Sin 45 is 1 over 2 under root cos alpha. Cos 45 1 over 2 under root sin alpha. You can take 1 over 2 under root common. That is cos alpha plus sin alpha. You can check this your right hand side. Dear students, that was your part number 1, question number 3. After that we have question number 4. Part number 3, 4 and 5 are given. I am taking part number 4. Part number 4. Question number 4 and part 4. Prove that sin theta minus cos theta tan theta by 2. Sin theta cos theta minus sin theta minus cos theta tangent theta by 2 divided by cos plus sin, cos theta plus sin theta, then tangent theta by 2. That will be equal to tangent theta by 2. Dear students, we have left hand side. We have to prove that this is right hand side, and keep in mind that right hand side is actually sin theta by 2 over cos theta by 2. This is your right hand side. If you break this right hand side, sin theta by 2 over cos theta by 2, it is same as tangent theta by 2. Taking left hand side. Sin theta minus cos theta, tangent theta by 2 can be written as sin theta by 2 over cos theta by 2 divided by cos theta plus sin theta, again sin theta by 2 over cos theta by 2. Dear students, you can take cos theta by 2 LCM from numerator and denominator. We can have cos theta by 2, that is sin theta cos theta by 2 minus cos theta sin theta by 2 divided by, similarly, and denominator you can take LCM as cos theta by 2, cos theta by 2 plus sin theta by 2. Dear students, cos theta by 2, cos theta by Here is sine alpha minus beta. Basically, alpha is theta and beta is theta by 2. Sine alpha cos beta minus cos alpha sine beta, that is sine alpha minus beta. Similarly, cos alpha cos beta plus sine alpha sine beta, that is cos alpha minus beta. Dear students, you know that theta minus theta by 2, that is theta by 2. 1 theta minus half theta, that is half theta. Similarly, that will be cos theta by 2. Remember that I have written that one. So here it is tangent theta by 2, that is your right hand side. Dear students, that was your part number 4 of your question number 4. After that, we can have next part. We have part number 5. 1 minus tangent theta tangent phi. 1 minus tangent theta tangent phi over. Here is 1 plus tangent theta tangent phi. 1 plus tangent theta tangent phi is equal to cos theta plus phi, cos theta plus phi over cos theta minus phi, theta minus phi. Taking left hand side, 1 minus tangent for theta. What about tangent theta? That is sine theta over cos theta. And tangent phi is sine phi over cos phi divided by again 1 plus sine theta over sine phi. Sine theta over cos theta, yes. Then sine phi over cos phi. Dear students, taking cos theta, cos phi, LCM from numerator and from denominator. Here we can have cos theta, cos phi. So cos theta, cos phi minus sine theta, sine phi, whole divided by, again you will have LCM of denominator, that is cos theta, cos phi. Cos theta, cos phi. Here is cos theta, cos phi plus sine theta, sine phi. Remember that cos theta, cos phi, the denominators, LCM, they are cancelled out. Dear students, check this formula. Cos alpha cos beta minus sine alpha sine beta cos alpha plus beta. That was our formula which I had written here. Cos alpha cos beta minus sine alpha sine beta cos alpha plus beta. And here alpha is theta, beta is phi. Similarly, cos alpha cos beta plus sine alpha sine beta, that is cos alpha minus beta. Alpha means theta, beta means phi. So here is cos theta minus phi, that is your right hand side. Dear students, that's your right hand side. That was your question number 4. After that we have question number 5. Question number 5 is, show that cos alpha plus beta, cos alpha minus beta, show that cos alpha plus beta, cos alpha minus beta is equal to cos square alpha minus sine square beta, cos square alpha minus sine square beta. Yes, is equal to cos cos square beta minus sin square alpha. Okay, so dear students, you can take this as 1 and here is 2, that is 3. Actually, we have to prove that 1 is equal to 2 is equal to 3. I am taking 1. Let 1 cos alpha plus beta cos alpha minus beta. Apply the formula. Cos alpha plus beta, what will be? Cos alpha cos beta minus sin alpha sin beta. Remember that in case of cos, sin will be different. If it is positive, then by opening this formula you will get negative here. And here is negative, by opening the formula you will get positive sign from here. Cos alpha cos beta plus sin alpha sin beta. You can have this is minus and this is plus. Same terms with negative and positive sign, what will be? You will apply the formula as a minus b, a plus b, that is a square minus b square. You will apply this formula. So dear students, you can have cos alpha cos beta whole square, sin alpha sin beta whole square. You can open up, you can distribute this power, cos square alpha cos square beta minus sin square alpha sin square beta. Dear students, you can check number 2. In alpha you must have cos square. In alpha you must have cos square. So wherever alpha is sin square converted into cos square. And in beta you must have sin square. If beta is cos square converted into sin square. Cos square alpha, this is cos square beta, but you need sin square beta. You can write down 1 minus sin square beta. Then here is cos square alpha, but you have sin square alpha here. You have to convert into cos square. Within the bracket you can write down 1 minus cos square alpha into sin square beta. Dear students, open up the brackets and cancel. Cos square alpha minus cos square alpha sin square beta. Then minus sin square beta will be written multiplied with 1. So you will have sin square beta. But here is minus minus plus sin square beta cos square alpha. Cos square alpha sin square beta, this is cancelled with this one. Dear students, you have cos square alpha minus sin square beta. You can check, this is number 2. This is number 2. After having number 2, you can take number 2, cos square alpha minus sin square beta. Dear students, in number 3, alpha will be sin square. Alpha will be sin square. And beta will be cos square here. So alpha is sin square. Convert into 1 minus sin square alpha. Cos square alpha will be converted into 1 minus sin square so that we can bring this 3. Similarly, sin square beta, you must have cos square beta. So here you write down 1 minus cos square beta. Open up the brackets. 1 and 1 cancelled out. Cos square beta positive, you write down first. Then minus sin square alpha, that is number 3. That is number 3. So they are all equal. I hope that you understood this question. Dear students, that was your question number 5. After that we have question number 6, 7. question number 6, 7, we can take question number 7, part 1 and part 3. Question number 7, part 1, cotangent alpha plus beta. 7, show that cotangent alpha plus beta. Cotangent alpha plus beta is equal to cotangent alpha cotangent beta minus 1. Cotangent alpha cotangent beta minus 1 over cotangent alpha plus cotangent beta plus cotangent beta. Dear students, here you can take left hand side, cotangent alpha plus beta. Now you can write down cotangent alpha minus beta as cos alpha plus beta over sin alpha plus beta. That is cotangent, cos over sin. And what is the formula of cos alpha plus beta? Cos alpha cos beta minus sin alpha sin beta over sin alpha cos beta plus cos alpha sin beta. Dear students, after writing this, look at your right hand side. In right hand side, you have 1 here. How can you get 1 here? This is 1. Here is this term. It must be 1 in your answer. So how can you get this 1? Dividing above and below by sin alpha sin beta. That will you will get 1. Dividing above and below by sin alpha sin beta. Dear students, you can write down cos alpha cos beta sin alpha over sin beta minus sin alpha sin beta over sin alpha sin beta divided by sin alpha cos beta over sin alpha sin beta above and below by sin alpha sin beta. Then cos alpha sin beta over sin alpha sin beta. Dear students, they are cancelled out. Cos alpha over sin alpha is cotangent alpha. Cos beta over sin beta is cotangent beta minus 1. Sin alpha cancelled out. Cos beta over sin beta is cotangent beta. Then sin beta cancelled out. Cos over sin is cotangent alpha. You can check, that is your right hand side. No problem if cotangent alpha is written at second position and cotangent beta first position. Place is not any importance. Place has no importance. You can write down your number, but the sign must be same. You cannot change your sign by changing the places. Dear students, that was your part number 1 of question number 5. And yes, rather this was question number 7. We finished our part number 1. After that we have part number 3. Part 3 is tangent alpha plus tangent beta. Number 3, tangent alpha plus tangent beta over tangent alpha minus tangent beta is equal to sine alpha plus beta over sine alpha minus beta. Yes. Taking left hand side, tangent alpha plus tangent beta, tangent alpha minus tangent beta. You can write down tangent alpha as sine alpha over cos alpha plus sine beta over cos beta divided by sine alpha over cos alpha minus sine beta over cos beta. Here in the numerator you can take LCM as cos alpha cos beta. Cos alpha cos beta. Cos alpha is cancelled out. We have sine alpha cos beta plus cos alpha sine beta. Dear students, you can take LCM in the denominator as cos alpha cos beta again. Cos alpha cos beta, and we have cos alpha cancelled out, sine alpha cos beta minus cos alpha sine beta. You can check cos alpha cos beta in the denominators. With LCM they are cancelled out. Now dear students, you can check this formula. This is the formula in fact. Sine alpha cos beta plus cos alpha sine beta is equal to sine alpha plus beta. This is the formula. Similarly, sine alpha cos beta minus cos alpha sine beta is equal to sine alpha minus beta. This is sine alpha plus beta over sine alpha minus beta. That's your right hand side. So that was your question number 7. Dear students, after that we have question number 8, 9 and even question number 10. They are all of similar nature. So I am taking question number 9. Question number 9. Question number 9. Sine alpha is equal to 4 over 5. 4 over 5. Alpha is in between 90 and 180. Sine alpha is equal to 4 over 5. Alpha is in between 90 and 180, pi by 2 and pi. Similarly, sine beta is equal to 12 over 13 and beta is in between pi by 2 and pi. These are very important informations about alpha and beta. Remember that we have alpha is in between pi by 2 and pi, beta pi by 2 and pi. You know, here we can have this is 0, this is pi by 2, this is pi, 3 pi by 2 and 2 pi. In both cases, they are in second quadrant, alpha and beta. This is alpha. And sine alpha means perpendicular over hypotenuse. Sine alpha is perpendicular over hypotenuse. The angle alpha is in the second quadrant, you have to find OB using Pythagoras theorem. In right triangle OAB using Pythagoras theorem. What is that? OA square is equal to OB square plus AB square. Here is 5 square is equal to OB square plus AB is 4 square. 25 minus 16 is equal to OB square. 9 is equal to OB square. Taking under root on both sides, OB is equal to plus minus 3. Dear students, you can check this plus minus 3, and from the origin we have value of x on towards x dash, and it is always negative. Now you have sine alpha, and here you will have cos alpha also. What about cos alpha? Base over hypotenuse. Similarly, in case of beta, same location in second quadrant, sine theta is 12 over 13. Here is 12, here is 13. Dear students, you can check. Here is, yes, OA is 13 square. Here will be 12 square. 13 square 169. 12 square is 144. Bring it to the left hand side. It will be 25. Here it is plus minus 5. Dear students, here will be minus 5 because it is left to the origin. So cos beta is equal to minus 5 over 30. Dear students, what is the question which is asked? Question is, find sine alpha plus beta, cos alpha plus beta, tangent alpha plus beta, like that. We can take sine alpha plus beta, sine alpha plus beta, sine alpha cos beta plus cos alpha sine beta. Sine alpha is 4 over 5, cos beta minus 5 over 13, plus cos alpha is minus 3 over 5, and sine beta is 12 over 13. Dear students, this is minus 20 over 65, minus 36 over 65. This will be minus 56 over 65. That's your answer. That was your sine alpha plus beta. If we take cos alpha minus beta, suppose I am taking cos alpha minus beta. Cos alpha minus beta. What will be? Cos alpha minus beta is in fact cos alpha cos beta plus sine alpha sine beta. Again, we will apply the values. Cos alpha is minus 3 over 5, cos beta minus 5 over 13, sine alpha is 4 over 5, sine beta is 12 over 13. Here is 15 over 65 plus 48 over 65. Here will be 63 over 65. That's your answer. And if you want to find tangent alpha plus beta, in case of tangent alpha plus beta, you will write down tangent alpha plus tangent beta over 1 minus tangent alpha tangent beta. Dear students, this is the formula. What about tangent alpha? sine alpha over cos alpha. That is tangent alpha. 5 cancelled out, minus 4 over 3. Yes, sine alpha over cos alpha, that is tangent alpha. 5 cancelled out, minus 4 over 3. Similarly, tangent beta. What about tangent beta? Perpendicular over base, that is minus 12 over 5. Over 1 minus 4 over 3 into minus 12 over 5. Dear students, make use of your calculator and find your answer. After that, we have question number 10. Find sine alpha plus beta cos alpha plus beta. Tangent alpha cos beta are given. Similarly, tangent alpha and sine beta are given. And the informations are given about alpha and beta. So I hope that with the same method you can use. In case of tangent alpha, it is written, for example, 3 over 4. So tangent alpha means perpendicular over base. That will be 4 over 3, like that. So you will apply Pythagoras theorem to find hypotenuse and then make use of that. So question number 11, prove that cos 8 minus sin 8 Question number 11. Prove that cos 8 minus sin 8 cos 8 minus sin 8 over cos 8 plus sin 8 plus sin 8, that will be equal to tangent 37. Yes, this is tangent 37. Dear students, you can take your right hand side. Tangent 37 can be written as tangent 45 minus 8. Yes, you can write down tangent 45 minus 8, and tangent 45 minus 8 can be written as sine 45 minus 8 over cos 45 minus 8. Here you can have sin alpha cos beta minus cos alpha sin beta. Then cos alpha cos beta plus sin alpha sin beta. Dear students, sin 45 cos 45, they are 1 over 2 under root cos 8 minus 1 over 2 under root sin 8. Similarly, in denominator 1 over 2 cos 8 plus 1 over 2 under root sin 8. Taking 1 over 2 common from numerator and denominator and cancelling. Cos 8 minus sin 8 divided by 1 over 2 under root cos 8 plus sin 8. They are cancelled out and we are left with your right hand side. That's your answer. Dear students, that was your question number 11. After that, we have question number 12. Alpha, beta, gamma are the angles of triangle. Show that this is equal to this. Question number 12. We are given question number 10. If 12, question number 12, if alpha, beta, gamma are angles of triangle ABC, show that cotangent alpha by 2 plus cotangent beta by 2 plus cotangent gamma by 2 is equal to cotangent alpha by 2, cotangent beta by 2 and cotangent gamma by 2. So we have to prove that left hand side is equal to right hand side. As alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to 180. Dear students, we have alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to 180 and alpha plus beta is equal to 180 minus gamma. Here dividing by 2, alpha plus beta over 2, 180 minus gamma over 2. You can have alpha over 2 plus beta over 2 is equal to 90 minus gamma over 2. Dear students, you can take tangent on both sides. Taking tangent on both sides. So this is tangent alpha over 2 plus beta by 2 and tangent 90 minus gamma by 2. You know that at 90 there is a change. So tangent will be converted into cotangent. But on left hand side we will apply the formula of tangent alpha plus beta. Tangent alpha plus tangent beta over 1 minus tangent alpha tangent beta. On left hand side, tangent alpha by 2 plus tangent beta by 2 over 1 minus tangent alpha by 2 tangent beta by 2. Dear students, we have tangent. Because of 90 there is a change. So we can have cotangent. Cotangent gamma by 2. Remember that in case of 90 minus, we have first quadrant. 90 minus. We have first quadrant that will be all positive. So that's why it is positive. Here we can write down this tangent alpha by 2 can be written as 1 over cotangent alpha by 2 that is cotangent alpha by 2 plus 1 over cotangent beta by 2 whole divided by 1 minus 1 over cotangent alpha by 2 1 over cotangent beta by 2 that will be equal to cotangent gamma by 2. So dear students, on left hand side, you know that tangent and cotangent, they are reciprocal. So I am converting tangent to cotangent because in our answer all terms are in cotangent. So that's why I am converting them. Here we have, yes, we will take LCM from numerator, that is cotangent alpha by 2, cotangent beta by 2. Here is cotangent beta by 2 plus cotangent alpha by 2 whole divided by cotangent alpha by 2, cotangent beta by 2. That will be cotangent alpha by 2, cotangent beta by 2 minus 1. That will be equal to cotangent gamma by 2. Above and below we have taken LCM and they are cancelled out. Dear students, here we have cotangent alpha by 2 plus cotangent beta by 2 is equal to cotangent gamma by 2 into cotangent alpha by 2, cotangent beta by 2 minus 1. take this term to the right hand side, then you multiply your right hand side, open up the brackets. Here we have cotangent alpha by 2 plus cotangent beta by 2 is equal to cotangent alpha by 2, cotangent beta by 2, cotangent gamma by 2 minus cotangent gamma by 2. This cotangent gamma by 2 multiplied by 1 and this is multiplied by this one, so we got all these three. Bring this to the left hand side. Here is cotangent alpha by 2 plus cotangent beta by 2 plus cotangent gamma by 2. That's your right hand side. Cotangent alpha by 2 and beta by 2 and cotangent gamma by 2. Dear students, that was your answer. That was to be proved. I hope that you understood this question and those parts I left for you. You can revise at home and revise properly, and if you have any problem you can contact me. Inshallah we'll do it. Okay, Allah Hafiz and Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.